Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this lovely Triumph Speedmaster. This one is the 1200 Speedmaster, and it's also the Goldline. So it's got this lovely paintwork on there, this lovely brushed aluminium look, this nice tank with the stripes, and also the gold lines that are on there are actually hand painted too. So if you look really close on them, you can actually see slight imperfections and brush strokes because they are done by hand. But lovely bike is this one. It's a 2022 and it's done just 2,075 miles from new. Really clean thing. It's got them big comfy seats on there. It's got two nice brown leather side panniers, and it's in lovely condition. So they come with ABS, they come with cruise control, they come with riding modes. You get traction on these as well, and they're just an absolutely awesome bike. We sell loads and loads of these. Really popular. You get the nice LED headlight at the front as well, and both the running light and the headlight are both LED. So you get the lovely sort of surround there. But yeah, absolutely cracking bikes. I'm sure it'll sell very quickly in this trim, so if you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.